Tá Cónaíorin I gcathair gathangach agus bíonn roinnt ar customary ag leabhart Gaeilge. I think that's important that we can demonstrate to those customers that we can use the Irish language as well when they come into us, whether it is through some of our staff who can speak fluently, or that we have some signs up in Irish, that some of our paperwork is through Gaeilge, so that we're embracing their language as well in our language, and we're trying to promote it and use it in everyday life. Is gnóir level náisiúnta éarnach amach sa Machmuid. I'm a member of the board of Independent Life Pharmacy. It's a group of 70 at the moment and growing independently owned pharmacies throughout the country. I am promoting the use of Irish to that group in our marketing material and our branding and our signage, so that we can really distinguish ourselves from other competitors at a national level. Just me the mock. Customers have been absolutely delighted with it. First of all, I think they're surprised that we've embraced it so much. Maybe they weren't expecting it from us, but now that they're seeing it in use, they're absolutely delighted, and they're kind of saying, yes, this is what most businesses should be doing, promoting it, showing it, and just showing love for it and a passion for it. And why not? It's something that's there, it's all around us, so we should all embrace it and use it every day.